Ankita Lokhande has penned a long note explaining her stand in the Sushant Singh Rajput case and her answer to the haters. She talked about the arrest of Rhea Chakravarti in the case and explained her recent post as karma. Her note said, "I again clarify for the reason time and again being asked by the media to me on whether I feel it's a murder or suicide. I have never said it's a murder or anyone in particular is responsible. I always have encouraged justice for my late friend SSR and stood by the bereaved family, and truth should be brought out by investigating agencies. Being a Maharashtrian and an Indian citizen, I have total faith in the Maharashtra state government and police and central government instrumentalities. Though when some lingos like Southern and widow were used for me, which is in public knowledge, I never responded to it. I only came forward to narrate about SSR and his mental health till 2016. In her message to the haters, she further wrote, "Dear haters, let us assume you must have known in and out about your friend and what's going on in her life and relationship. Glad to see you wake up finally, but I wish you would have woken up sooner and advised your friend not to support any kind of drug abuse by SSR, if any." Without mentioning Rhea Chakravarti's name, she said, when she very well knew about his mental state by publicly stating that he was in depression, should she have allowed a depressed man to consume drugs? How is that going to help? His condition would deteriorate to a level that would make a man take the action that SSR has allegedly taken. She was the closest person to him at that time. On one hand, she says she was coordinating with all the doctors for his betterment of health on request of SSR, and on the other hand, she was coordinating drug logistics for him. She went on to explain why she called the arrest of Rhea as karma and said, "Would anyone who claims to have loved someone so deeply allow the person to consume drugs claiming to know his mental state and condition? Would you do that? I don't think anyone would. So how can it not be seen as an act of carelessness and irresponsibility?" As per her, she informed his family about his ongoing treatment, but did she ever inform them about his drug consumption? I'm sure she didn't, because maybe she herself enjoyed consuming it. And this is why I feel it's karma, fate. Sharing a piece of advice for the trolls, she ended saying, "Little advice for the unknown. You guard your friend and I'm standing by the family. But let us maintain civility by not coming on to each other personally, either directly or indirectly." Ankita is currently in relationship with Vicky Jain, who supported her in the comment section. He wrote, "You couldn't be more pertinent. Respect." Ankita acknowledged his comment with a heart and hands folded in prayer emoji. Sushant's sister, Shweta Singh Kriti, picked up on one of Ankita's quote and highlighted it in the comment section. She wrote in her reaction to the post, "On one hand, she says she was coordinating with all the doctors for his betterment of health on request of SSR, and on the other hand, she was coordinating drug logistics for him. Bang on." Many other TV and film celebrities including Adhyanand Suman, Nandish Sandhu and Kashmira Shah is also supporting her in the comment section. For more such Bollywood updates, keep on watching Sharmila Showhouse Bollywood.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Showhouse.
It's absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Showhouse because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
Keep watching Sharmila Showhouse. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
Be progressive. Be positive. Do yourself. Understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila's Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
Hi, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila's Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.